For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. EarthBox. We've been talking about different types of things you need to know about EarthBoxes. Fertilizer. Now this happens to be all the fertilizer that you'll need to put into your EarthBox, and it comes ready to plant that way. Now you can see we added enough soil to cover. We're going to come up just a little bit higher on this with the fertilizer, but I like to put the fertilizer right down in the center of the box. And why? Because that's where all the roots and plants are going to get all this fertilizer that they need. Now you want to kind of make it as even as you can and realize those roots will find this fertilizer, and you want to make sure there's a good source of nitrogen, which is growth, phosphorus, which is for roots and flowering, and potassium, which is going to help with overall strength in the plant. If you do that with a complete fertilizer, usually I don't care if it's 6-6-6, 10-10-10, this one happens to be a 13-2-17. Low nitrogen, low phosphorus, high potassium. Great fertilizer for many of your vegetables. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.